What's the color of the sun? The sun? Yellow. Alright. What color is yellow? Heart? I got that. Okay, your color is what?
Nothing.
This one is a sticker. You just have to remove.
You want red? I'll give you one to finish that. You want red?
Josh, what are you doing?
What is the color of the sun and the moon?
So this is about 20.
Oh, you put the color, Josh. Yellow, yellow. Where's the sun? Huh?
Look at him, oh.
Oh, yeah, she's very good, oh. What's the color of the sun? It's yellow. Oh, look at her. Oh, she's very good. Yeah. You teach him. You tell him. Video.